How to cut in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and head over to the edit page. This is where you will see your timeline and all the tools needed for basic editing. Now, drag your video clip into the timeline if you haven't done that already. You can do this by selecting the clip from the media pool and dropping it directly onto the timeline. Next, position the playhead exactly where you want to make the cut. If the timeline feels too tight to navigate, use the zoom bar or scroll your mouse wheel while holding Alt to zoom in and get a closer look. Then, select the blade tool from the toolbar just above the timeline or press the B key on your keyboard. With the blade tool active, click once on the clip right where the playhead is. This action slices the clip into two separate segments. After making your cut, switch back to the normal selection mode by pressing the A key. Now, you can click on either half of the clip. If you need to remove a portion, simply select it and press backspace or delete on your keyboard. You can repeat this process as many times as needed to trim your video exactly how you want. It's a clean and efficient way to remove mistakes, shorten scenes, or break footage into smaller parts for further editing. And that's it. Now you know how to cut in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.